In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a dashboard in Asana. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply getting rid of obsolete dashboards, this process is straightforward and easily manageable. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step to ensure you can delete any dashboard you no longer need. Start by navigating to the left-hand panel of your Asana interface. This is your central hub for accessing key features, and from here, you'll want to locate the Reporting section. Once you click on Reporting, a new window or panel will open up, showcasing a comprehensive list of all the dashboards you've created or have access to. Each dashboard gives you a visual representation of project data, but sometimes they become unnecessary as projects change or evolve. As you review the list of dashboards, move your cursor gently over the dashboard you wish to delete. Take your time if you have several dashboards, ensuring you choose the correct one. As you hover over your selected dashboard, keep an eye out for a three-dot icon, which will appear towards the right side of the dashboard's name. This icon is essentially a gateway to more actions related to each dashboard. Clicking on the three-dot icon will open a small drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find a few options specific to dashboard management. Among these, search for the Delete Dashboard option. Once you've found it, it's time to proceed to the next step. Click on Delete Dashboard. It's important to note that depending on your organization's settings, Asana may prompt you to confirm your deletion. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so make sure to read any prompts thoroughly and confirm the action if you wish to go ahead. Once you've done this final confirmation, the dashboard will be removed from your list. And there you go. With just a few clicks, you have successfully deleted a dashboard in Asana. As a tip, it's always a good practice to ensure you are not deleting any dashboards that might still contain valuable data or insights before proceeding. If it helps, you might want to consider reviewing your dashboards periodically and discussing with your team which ones can be retired. Retaining only the most relevant dashboards can greatly enhance your team's efficiency and focus. I hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel confident managing your dashboards in Asana. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help streamline your project management processes. Thank you for watching.